Hello everybody, today I'm very happy to talk about answer what interviewer can ask to me. Question 1. How can you deal with pressure and stressful situation? As you know, stress and pressure as an inevitable things at workplace. To be honest, the work pressure is a popular issue in the workplace. Sometimes it is a source of motivation for me to make an effort to fulfill my work assignment. I'm accustomed to working under pressure and I enjoy it. I took a number of methods to rebalance myself at work, including reading books, meditating, talking to my colleagues, and doing exercise. I'm confident to say that I'm good at working under pressure. Question 2. What are qualities of a good salesperson? According to my opinion, a good salesperson has three qualities. Firstly, a salesperson has outstanding communication skills. They are good at explaining feature of product, answer the question from customer clearly, and persuading them to buy product. Secondly, an outstanding salesperson is a good and patient listener to understand the requirement of the product of the customer. Besides, a salesperson should be persistent and optimistic in any situation. Persistence plays an important role because it makes salesperson never give up, even seeing a negative reaction from a customer. Question 3. Would you like teamwork and work independently? I can work effectively in a team as well as work independently. During my student period, I took part in many clubs, which gives me some chance to build a good team ability. Therefore, I think I work as a member of the group rather than work independently. It totally depends on tasks. Sometimes working independently is also important for me to fulfill my work. Question 4. How can you avoid some conflicts at workplace with our colleagues? Facing conflicts is an unavoidable thing for every staff at workplace. I have experience to dealing with this problem by many ways. Firstly, I always put me on their circumstance so that I can understand their feeling and situation. Besides, I often clarify responsibility for every member in my team. Each member will have clear responsibility to avoid conflicts. Finally, when I see something wrong from our colleagues, I always give them useful advice on the basis of mutual respect. These ways are really powerful to have a good relationship with our colleagues. Question 5. What are your salary expectations? I'm really often and flexible on salary. This opportunity is really precious for me, and add value to your company is my priority. Before answering this question, I really want to know, what are my responsibilities? How you value this position, and what budget you put on this role. Thank you for listening to me.